Alright, y'all. We back with another motherfucking video. We here at, what's it called? Yeah, House of Chocolate. Yeah, on another fish day. This is another fish vlog. Got to see some shit. Stay tuned. Got hella fish up in there.
Look at what I was doing. Large movie.
You should feed the piranhas. Yo, this big place is big as shit. Real live. They got some big ass tanks. We stay. Want some fish. Shit. Oh yeah, like that. That's exactly what I want. Something small like that. How much is it? 20?
$16.
That's not bad. I'm getting a picture of it actually for myself.
Only be that one fish,
I low-key want like a small fish like this. Something small. But I want that last of it. That's the only thing. I don't want no big ass fish. I could put something I could put in my room. This place is huge. Oh, they got them over here too. Oh, this the filter stuff for that tank. That's a shark. Oh shit. Y'all, I'm gonna come back here. Next time we come back here, I'm gonna get me a fish. And I'm gonna design the little motherfucking, what you call it? Like, hell yeah. They got Nemo back there. More Nemo, stop hiding, y'all. We found you. Huge. No, I was, but I stopped because I was like, fun. Yo, oh my god, look how many is in that bitch. I was not expecting it to look like that. And these for the baby piranhas.
Yeah.
Yeah, they gonna fuck that shit up. That looks disgusting, y'all. That's shrimp.
Brine shrimp.
You said brown shrimp?
Brine shrimp.
I might have a glow tank. How much is a fucking glowfish? I want a glowfish.
What?
A glowfish. One of that bitch glows in the dark. You see that shit? That shit is glowing. Maybe it's the light.
This?
No, I'm talking about like how they glowing. Like, yeah, you see how that one glowing? It's like neon.
It ain't wrong.
He like,
I ain't
what
gonna
the
say
fuck?
first, some of the fish you call like either 80 to 100. Maybe
Oh, hell
200.
no. $80 to $100. Y'all got me fucked up. All the way fucked up. Oh, so salt water be more. Oh, you want to say those?
Mm-hmm.
This nigga put a hole in the side. shit. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? Yeah, they gobbled them bitches up fast as shit. Oh, bruh. What the fuck? I backed the fuck up fast as shit. Fucked his ass up. Damn. Yo, his fucking body is floating around in the fucking water, bruh. And he got him. He about to get him. They all in there having fun like bitch. And I got that ass on camera, yo. Oh my god, that was perfect. That was perfect. That was perfect, yo. That was perfect. It's gobbling all of them. What the hell? That's like his third one.
Try to get the smaller ones first so they can, don't gotta chase that. The big one, bigger.
Yep, and he just got this.
Bust down, honey.
Y'all saw that shit? Yo left his fucking tail right there. Damn. That motherfucker a beast. I got at least 3 of them bitches eating.
Yeah, but they definitely. Sometimes they be like the big ones. Sometimes they'll bite the underbelly, and then all you can see is their guts, and they still swimming around. Like if I get a lot of them, then you'll see like a fucking nasty.
Oh, it was a whole bunch of them in there.
Yeah.
Like how they first were when they first got in there, they got excited as shit.
No, I'm talking about because they used to me putting like. They eat so much of them. Sometimes they'll OD on it and then just start biting niggas' stomachs. So. Right now.
Damn, I got that ass. Damn.
Oh, caught another one.
All of them got a chance to eat, like real shit.
And I got around 20 of them, so I'm gonna go for it.
They don't even got to fight over him. Damn, that was fast as shit. I don't even know worms can fucking... You threw a ball of worms in that bitch. That is disgusting. Oh my god. That is nasty as shit. Ew. Ew. I thought that was shit, bro, the way this shit came out. They water worms?
What?
Like water worms. Like worms.
Black worms.
Oh.
They usually say, I don't know. how you said it.
Water worms. Craziest part is them damn goldfish probably eat that shit. That's like a little snack for him, for real. Bro, he just play hell them bitches up in there. They letting this goldfish swim too close to them. That goldfish big as shit, and he fucking cocky because he keeps swimming around them. Oh, I see him. I want to see these little motherfuckers try to eat.
No.
Yo, I'm mad at all the worms just hanging in that tree. They all hanging in the fucking tree. Like a fucking snake. Oh, I see him eating down here. See that one right there? That one eating.
Slurp the shit out of it. Got one eating. Look at this fish right here, y'all. Damn. They were trying to take the whole motherfucking worm. What is you doing? Look at the cat. Hey, yo! I got scared as shit. The big ones. Yeah, these like a little snack to them. They like 7 of them bitches in there so they can eat later. They over there eating the worms right now. They some smart ass fish, yo. You put 20 in here? Damn, they fucked them up.